I want to show you how you can make your Thieves bottle cleaner from your Thieves concentrate. So there are 3 different sizes that you can get in Thieves concentrated cleaner. You can get the 1 ounce packet. This 1 ounce packet is the equivalent of 1 cap. So you would use this packet to make your 30 ounces of cleaner. This packet comes in the basic kit and in the premium starter kit as well. So you have the 1 packet. You also have a 14.4 ounce size concentrate of Thieves cleaner, and same concept of the packet. You use 1 cap with 30 ounces of water, and you can make up to 65 bottles of 30 ounce cleaner from this 1 concentrated bottle of 14.4 ounce Thieves cleaner. Or you can also have the 64 ounce bottle of Thieves cleaner. It will make up to 55 gallons of concentrated cleaner. So what you would do is you would get your bottle. I like these from Home Depot. They have a very wide mouth. So when you fill the water up first, it doesn't really spill over because the opening is huge. So you need to fill the water up first, because if you put the Thieves cleaner in it first and then fill it up with water, it'll bubble up and suds out, and then you'll lose your cleaner. So fill it up with water first. This is a 32 ounce bottle. Up to there's a 32 ounce line. The recommendation is 1 cap to 30 ounces, so you could probably put it right up to here. If you do 32 ounces, that's no big deal. If you want stronger power or more scent, you could put 2 caps to 30 ounces of water. So when you have your packet, you open up your little packet. It has a little indentation right there. Fill up your 30 ounces of water, pour the packet in here, shake, and you're ready to go. If you have the 14.4 or the 64, you just have 1 cap, fill up the cap, put it in here, and you're good to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And it's made with lemon oil, eucalyptus, rosemary, cinnamon, and clove, along with several other plant-derived ingredients that make it a cleaning solution. It is safe. Thieves is safe on stainless steel, glass, mirror, tile, marble, wood, leather, everything. I actually wash my fruits and vegetables with it to get all the yucky germs and gunk off of it. So there you have it. So you have 3 different sizes, 3 different ways to make your all-purpose cleaner, and you'll get a lot of bottles made out of this and a lot of uses. So if you have any questions, drop me a question. If you have any comments, follow my Facebook page, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, Instagram, and my YouTube channel. Alrighty, peace out.